first time preparing rice noodles. When I got to the supermarket, checking out the pasta section, I saw rice stick. I was like, rice stick? What's rice stick? I only know about rice noodles. It was only for me to get home and search online and found out that rice sticks and rice noodles are actually the same thing. I had to go back there the next day just to get it so I'll be able to try it for the first time. So I boiled it and added cold water just to cool it down according to what internet told me so that it's going to stop cooking. I hope I did it right. Then I added ginger, garlic, onions just to get that aromatic scent and taste, just that different taste. With fish, of course. Then this attack Big Ben, that's dry chili pepper. I soaked it in hot water just to make it soft before blending it. I added my not chicken cubes as usual with my salt and my soft boiled egg and my favorite drink series. Mwah!